and CA test scholars. Today I have explained what is a program and what I have to learn in Astronomer. Astronomer is a foundation of smart computation learning, which is used to prediction aspects and clarification the data, and the data prototype model. And I registered to Astronomer, which is used to learn machine learning and Python and get certificate. In Astronomer, we have learned for each module have four labs and one object. And we give one assignment, which is used to cross object. In Astronomer classes, there are four modules. And each module have 4 labs, 3 labs, 4 labs, 2 labs. Thank you, Vanata, for giving this golden opportunity.